Silhouette just announced the brand new Cameo 5 cutter. It's an amazing new piece of technology. But what about the Cameo 4? Is it just chopped liver now? Not at all. In this video, I'm going to be comparing the two machines to help you decide which one is going to be the best choice for you. First of all, let's talk about the similarities between the two machines. They are both Cameos after all. They're both going to be powered by the same software, Silhouette Studio. This program punches way above its weight class and is stacked with pro features like point editing, text on path, shape modifications, and image tracing. You can even unlock more pro features by upgrading to Designer, Designer Plus, or Business Edition. Both the Cameo 4 and 5 have a maximum cutting width of 12 inches when you use the cutting mat and 11.6 inches wide for matless cutting. Both machines have an optical sensor for reading registration marks, which allows you to perform print and cut jobs, also known as contour cutting. You have a dual carriage system on both machines, which allows you to use two different tools on the same cut job. Both machines have a maximum cut thickness of 3 millimeters and can apply up to 5 kilograms, yes, you heard me right, kilograms of force on carriage 2. There are also a lot of tools available that will work with both machines. This means that both machines are able to handle pretty much any heat transfer material you want to cut and then some. At the time of this video, the Silhouette Cameo 4 is priced at about $110 less than the brand new Cameo 5. So why even bother with the newer, more expensive model? Well, let's take a look. Here's where Silhouette has made some improvements with the new generation of Cameo. For the sake of time, I'm just gonna stick with the highlights. We actually have a full video showing all of the great new features on the Cameo 5, which I'll have linked below. Everyone loves a faster cutter, right? Well, the Cameo 5 is 133% faster than the Cameo 4. And it's so much more quiet. These two features alone are worth the price of admission for most folks, myself included. I mean, who doesn't want a faster, quieter vinyl cutter? And I'm proud to report that the repeat job function that went missing on the Cameo 4 is back on the Cameo 5. Something you won't find on any other machine is a powered tool station. So instead of having wires running across your machine when you're applying foil, you could now load the brand new heat pen and have it powered directly by the Cameo 5. The cross cutter has been upgraded from a manual operation on the 4 to a fully automatic cross cutter powered by the auto blade on the Cameo 5. You still get a free roll feeder, but it's an attachment on the Cameo 5 now, and it's no longer built in, which allows us to have a smaller profile on the Cameo 5. One of the biggest game changers is going to be the brand new ES mat. ES stands for electrostatic, and this attachment is sold separately, and it allows you to cut your projects without the use of the adhesive mat. This is paired with the brand new intelligent path technology, and that's going to open you up to a ton of new opportunities like cutting very thin paper materials and cutting multiple layers of material at once. I love it because cleanup is an absolute breeze. The ES mat is curl-free, tear-free, and it provides you with easy weeding. And this has no effects on your projects whatsoever, but the soft close lid on the Cameo 5 feels and looks so much better than the lid on the 4. Here are a few situations where I would recommend somebody choose a Cameo 4 over the 5. First of all, it's much more affordable. As I mentioned earlier in this video, the Cameo 4 right now is coming in at about $110 cheaper than the Cameo 5. It's only $220, and that is an absolute steal when you consider what you're able to do with that machine. So if you're looking to get started on a budget and you don't need to have all the bells and whistles or the latest and greatest, get the Cameo 4. I also highly recommend picking up a Cameo 4 as a backup machine. Even if you have a really nice cutter or another cutter, you always want to be prepared. I've received too many phone calls from customers who have had accidents with their vinyl cutters and need replacements, but they have orders pending right now and they need to get cutting ASAP. Having a backup cutter can really save your skin in a pinch. And then of course, there's the casual hobbyist. If this isn't your main business, or if you're just looking to have some fun and maybe you don't want to spend too much, get the Cameo 4 at a discount while you can. These are a few examples of where I would recommend somebody would upgrade to the Cameo 5. If you like to take phone calls, record content, or hang out with your family while your machine is running in the background, get the Cameo 5. The noise difference is very significant and you'll really appreciate the quieter machine. If you cut lots of pieces at once, I know you're gonna love the faster cut speed. That's another situation where I think the 5 is worth the upgrade. If you're doing more than cutting HTV for t-shirts, get the Cameo 5, because the powered carriage and the ES mat are game changers for paper crafts and other projects. And then there are those who just have to have the latest and greatest. Look, I totally get it. I understand. I love new technology just as much as anybody else. So yes, go for it. Treat yourself. Get the Cameo 5. At Heat Press Nation, we don't believe there's one right product for everybody, just the right product for you and your business. So if you'd like to talk to somebody about what's the right cutter for you, please feel free to give us a call at 800-215-0894 or visit us online at heatpressnation.com.